Today, I'm going to teach you how to rotate objects in Figma. Whether you're designing a logo, arranging elements in a layout, or just need to tilt something for a more dynamic composition, knowing how to rotate objects quickly is an essential skill that'll save you tons of time. First, you'll want to open your Figma file in the web browser. Simply navigate to figma.com and log into your account. If you haven't already, once you're in, locate the file you want to work on from your dashboard and click to open it. This will bring you directly into the canvas where all your design work happens. Now that your file is open, the next step is to select an object on the canvas that you want to rotate. This could be anything: a shape, an image, a text box, or even a group of elements. Just click on the object once to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a blue bounding box with handles appear around it. This bounding box is what we'll be working with to achieve the rotation. Here's where the rotation magic happens. Hover your cursor just outside any corner of that bounding box. Don't click yet, just move your mouse around the corner area. You'll notice that once you get close enough to the corner but stay outside the bounding box, your cursor will change into a rotation arrow. This visual cue tells you that Figma is ready for you to rotate the object. It's a subtle but important indicator to watch for. Once you see that rotation arrow, click and drag your mouse in the direction you want to rotate. As you drag, you'll see the object rotating in real time, which gives you immediate visual feedback. Here's a helpful tip. If you press and hold the Shift key while dragging, Figma will snap your rotation to 15-degree increments. This is incredibly useful when you need precise angles like 45 degrees, 90 degrees, or 180 degrees, and it prevents you from having to eyeball the rotation and guess. Alternatively, if you prefer typing in exact values, there's another method that gives you complete precision. Look over at the right sidebar where you'll find the Design tab. In that tab, scroll down to the Position section. Here you'll see various fields for positioning and transforming your object. One of these fields is specifically for rotation and it's marked with a degree symbol. Simply click into this field, type the exact angle you want, such as 30 or 120, and then press Enter. The object will instantly rotate to that exact degree, no dragging required. And that's it. You've now learned two different ways to rotate objects in Figma, giving you flexibility depending on whether you need quick visual adjustments or precise numerical control. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.